So the next question in interview room, it may ask you, what is a runtime polymorphism? What is runtime polymorphism, or what is dynamic polymorphism? What is dynamic polymorphism? Okay. Or what is late binding? Late binding, guys. Okay. What is runtime polymorphism? What is dynamic polymorphism? Or what is late binding, guys? Okay. So method overriding. Okay. Method overriding is the example of runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism. Okay, when we write parent class method, when we write super class method into subclass with same return type, with same modifier, with same argument list, when we write super class method into subclass with same parameter list, same return type, with same name and with same modifier, then such a concept is called method overriding, guys. Okay, so method overriding is called runtime polymorphism. Okay, let's discuss this runtime polymorphism with example, guys. Okay, so now let's say, guys, we have class a2 class. We have class a2 class. Okay, and for a2 class, suppose we write a class. Okay, suppose we write interface. One interface I write here, guys. Okay, interface. Okay, parent interface. Okay, parent interface I write here, guys. Okay, parent interface, and then this parent interface. Okay, parent interface, or suppose we have class animal class. Okay, or suppose we have a class vehicle class, guys. Okay, vehicle class, and then this vehicle class we write one abstract method here. Abstract in interface we can write abstract method. Okay, so abstract void. Okay, and we write a drive method. Okay, drive method we write here. Okay, drive method we write here, and then for class, then for interface vehicle we write one subclass, and then class, suppose I write Audi class, and then I write implements vehicle. Okay, I write vehicle. So now this Audi class, okay, Audi class must need to override which one method? Drive method. So drive method I write here, drive. Okay, and then I write here as out. Okay, I said, okay, Audi class, okay, drive method. Okay, Audi class or drive method. Okay, suppose I write this statement, and then suppose I write one more class. I write one more class, like suppose I said which class? I write Maruti class, guys. Okay, and suppose, okay, in Maruti class again we need to override drive method. So drive method हमने override करा, guys. Okay, and then I said Maruti class drive method. Maruti class drive method, guys. Okay, now runtime polymorphism समझते, guys. So we have vehicle interface. We have vehicle interface. Okay, like suppose we have in, okay, we have parent interface, and then by using this parent interface, okay, we write okay, two classes. We write two classes. Okay, which class? One Audi class, second one Maruti class. Okay, then this parent interface present which one method? Drive method. Okay, drive method present. Okay, present drive method. Okay, drive method present to this which class? Which interface? Okay, which interface? Parent interface. Now then this drive method must need to override by, must need to override by, okay, which class? Audi class. Okay, and then this same method must need to override by Maruti class. Okay, now then, okay, then we will say this is inheritance. This is inheritance. Now runtime polymorphism, let's, okay, discuss the runtime polymorphism. Suppose I said PSVM, guys. Okay, and runtime polymorphism. Okay, and as out, suppose I write, okay, enter, okay, enter your car name, guys. And by using scanner, suppose by using scanner I receive car name, guys. Scanner, okay, scanner, and suppose I said here I need to say system.in, and I receive the object of scanner, guys. Scanner S. Okay, scanner S, and here suppose, okay, I said vehicle, okay, vehicle V is equals to okay, I said class dot for name, okay, and class dot for name need to pass, okay, okay, I said I will receive one input here. Before that, I will say string, I will say car name, and I will say as a dot next, and this car name I will pass at here. Okay, this car name, okay, whichever input I am receiving, okay, at a runtime, that input I will pass to this class dot for name, and then this class dot for name will pass the new instance. It will create the object of this, okay, class name. This will be the class name for us, okay, and then this object we will cast it into which type, okay. Now here in car name we can have Audi, okay, or we can have Maruti. We can have Audi here, okay, or we can have Maruti here. But Audi at last nothing but vehicle, Maruti at last nothing but vehicle. Okay, so now here we will have Audi or Maruti. So now then these two object we will cast it, okay, into a single type, that single type will be the vehicle, okay. Now it can generate an exception, so I will say throws, okay, exception or try and catch I can write here. And now I can say v dot drive method, I can call v dot drive method, okay, right click and run type, run file guys, okay. At a runtime I can suppose I pass Audi, okay. Now you can see guys, Audi class drive method, okay, and suppose I pass, okay, like I said Maruti, guys, okay. Now you can see, okay, Maruti class drive method. So I am calling just vehicle drive method, v is the reference of which class, which class or interface, vehicle, okay. So now by using this vehicle reference, we are calling drive method. This drive method, okay, may execute from Audi, okay, or which class, Maruti, okay. So hence it is called, late binding, okay. Lately we are binding this drive method either with Audi class, either with Maruti class. That's what is called late binding, also called as a dynamic polymorphism, or we are writing polymorphism, we are performing polymorphism at a runtime, hence it is called runtime polymorphism guys, okay. This is runtime polymorphism example guys, okay. Thank you.